In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an ER diagram in draw.io using ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to ChatGPT and just tell it, make me an ER diagram for draw.io using mermaid code. Now, what I did over here is I just said I want an example ER diagram, but you can be more specific. You can tell it what you actually want the ER diagram to be. You can be very specific. You can write a whole chapter, like a very, very long text box of what you actually want to achieve. But then at the end, make sure you actually include for draw.io using mermaid code. What this will do is basically it's going to understand, and it's going to take a few seconds for it to write the code. And as you can see here, it's going to tell you what it shows, what it does, and here is your code. What you then have to do is click on copy code, and then you want to go back to draw.io, click on the plus button, click on mermaid, and you want to just highlight this, delete it, and paste in the code, and press insert. And just like that, as you can see, this is now the code we received from ChatGPT, and we just imported that via mermaid code inside draw.io. Now, of course, you can do whatever you want. Just make sure you tell ChatGPT what you would like to achieve. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.